Alright, here's a 2021 Dodge Durango RT. Got the 5.7 Hemi in there. We've done quite a few of these. Everyone's cutting out the big resonator in the middle and putting the Flowmaster Outlaws in with an H-pipe and getting rid of the back mufflers. This one here, we just got rid of the middle big resonator and put Outlaws in there with an H-pipe and left the rear mufflers in. See what we did there. Took all that out of there, put a couple Outlaws in there, put the H-pipe in there. We left the back mufflers in. So let's see how this one sounds. Looking at it from another angle. That sun is in the picture. There's the big resonator that we cut out of there. So let's see how this thing's gonna sound. All right, let's start this thing up and see how it sounds. That actually don't sound bad. Not as loud as it is when you delete the back mufflers, but if you don't want it to be too crazy, actually has a good sound. Flowmaster Outlaws and rear mufflers, we left them in.